Hello, this is Cherie for Just Nailed It. This was my SheModern Saturday manicure. In it, I used blue gel. Hopefully you can see this. There we go. By SheModern. And I wasn't sure how it was going to come off. If it was going to come off like regular nail polish or like gel polish. So, I took off this one and my pinky and discovered through the thumb removal that it comes off like a gel. So, on here I tried first regular nail polish remover. Yeah, that didn't do nothing. It just, it had some of the color of the pink on it from the pigment on the cotton ball, and that was it. So, I am going to try these UV gel removal pads that came with my Models 1 kit that I reviewed a few months back. I'm also going to use a cotton ball with these clips. You just saturate in acetone, put on your nail, clamp them on for 5 minutes, and remove. So, we're going to get down to business. I have 100% acetone. I'm going to remove everything so I don't get nothing all over anything else. And these I've never used before, so this is going to be trial and error with me. Let me put a glove on my right hand so I don't mess this manicure up because my right hand is gel. And I don't want that to come off. I just put that on the other day, a couple days back, and I'm not ready for it to be off yet. So, what that color was Magic Blue by Models 1. This is all SheModern. I did use the pink neon pigments. 2 different decals. So on this, there is the tear off strip. You can see inside of it there is the removal pads. Whoops, sorry. There's the removal pads inside. This also has a plastic little strip along the front of it. Peel that off. And it's going to stick to me. Inside, or on here, there's the sticky part. There's supposed to be. Whoops. I am going to stick my nail in there. You are supposed to, put this down, fold this over. Princess Diana is messaging me on Instagram. I think I'm going to put a clip on this one just to hold it in place better because it's not sticking too well for me. So yeah, there we are with that one. Our next one, whoops. It's going to be straight acetone. Take it, put it on your cotton ball. Put that down on your nail. Kind of press down that a little bit. Get it going. Get it into place. Get your clamp. Clamp down. Push into place. I'm also going to do this one with the acetone as well. So we've got one nail with the Model 1's UV gel removal pads, which is my index finger. Ring finger is straight acetone, as well as a nice cotton ball here, as well as my middle finger. Hope it doesn't eat out the rubber of these gloves. That would be something else. You know how acetone will eat away at things. Or it sure did back in the day when I was a kid. So yeah, these are going to sit here for the next, I don't know, 3 to 5 minutes. And then I'm going to come back and check them. So, I will see you then. Hello, I'm back. It has been a good 5 minutes. And we are, remember, removing the Saturday's SheModern Saturday where I use the glue gel. And it has to be removed. If you're using regular polish, it still has to be removed like gel. So the first nail I had on one of these. And as you can see, after 5 minutes, it came out pretty darn good. I don't have to do no scraping on this nail. Wipe it off with my paper towel. I'm going to take some remover to it though. I just looked at my regular polish remover, and the reason I think it didn't make any headway with it is because not an acetone. You need an acetone remover with these, or straight acetone. So we're going to see how the straight acetone did. I'm going to take this and run it across the nail first and take a look-see. Looks like it did pretty well, just like the wrap did. Remember to get under the backside here, because you're going to get some buildup there from the removal process. So make sure you get the underside of your nail. You're going to have to clean that out with the nail file. Get in your crevices. It's like you're removing your regular, polish. Make sure you get all that out. So here we have learned, if you don't use acetone in one form or another, it's not going to come off. My remover does not have acetone in it. It's a non-acetone nail polish remover with vitamin E and panthenol. This one I've got a spot. I'm going to take my scraper. I don't know what else to call it. And I'm going to go at this. It does not want to come. Oh, here we go. Let me take this. So yeah, your best bet is the removal pads. After you do this, wash your hands. And I suggest a good lathering of cuticle oil. I use coconut oil myself. Straight up out of the jar that I put in a little container, and I put this on my nails 3 to 5 times a week. And here we are. I do suggest a peel off base coat. I'm going to invest in that here shortly next time I get to the store for gel polish or to use the glue gel. So yeah, here we go. My nails are fine. No wear and tear from putting it on. Just have to use the acetone to remove it. And I hear my acetone does not have an acetone additive in it. That's why I suggest cuticle oil and then lotion. A good thick lotion like body butter, something along that. You can even take your cuticle oil like this. Rub that all over your whole entire hand. It's up to you what you do, but this will dry your nails out. So yeah, this is it. I've removed it. 5 minutes with the acetone or UV gel removal pad. So there we go. There's my review of the removal process. So I hope you enjoyed. Have yourself a blessed day. Whoops, sorry for the bobble, and thank you.